The impactful loss of Mac Miller and my brother, discovering the power of creative potential in a tragic turn of events, the world suffered. A great loss 5 years ago today as the promising talent of Mac Miller was abruptly taken away at the young age of 26. Reflecting on this somber anniversary, it is impossible not to draw parallels between Mac's untimely passing and the loss I personally experienced 5 years ago. In 2018, I learned about Mac's tragic death while going through the motions of my work for another outlet, moments after I had received news of my own brother Christian's passing at the age of 21. Both Mac Miller and my brother Christian were remarkable individuals who fearlessly delved into their creative potential. Their journeys exemplified bravery and a relentless pursuit of self-expression. However, their untimely deaths serve as a haunting reminder of the fragile nature of life, and the powerful impact that their artistic ventures continue to have on countless individuals. Mac Miller, a prodigious rapper and producer, charted his own course in the music industry. His immense talent and unparalleled determination allowed him to captivate audiences and garner critical acclaim throughout his career. His introspective lyrics delved into topics of personal struggle and growth, resonating with millions of fans worldwide. From his breakthrough mixtapes to his studio albums, Mac fearlessly explored various musical genres, showcasing his versatility and artistic growth. His genuine vulnerability in his music endeared him to fans, as they witnessed an artist unafraid to confront his own demons. Similarly, my brother Christian possessed an unwavering courage to explore his own creative potential. His passion for storytelling led him to pursue a career in filmmaking, where he poured his heart and soul into his art. Christian's short films and documentaries left an indelible impact on those who were fortunate enough to experience his work. Through thought-provoking narratives and captivating visuals, he challenged societal norms and sparked important conversations. Christian's artistry was a testament to his courage and his unwillingness to confine himself to creative boundaries. The loss of Mac Miller and my brother Christian has left an ongoing void in the artistic community. However, their legacies extend beyond their untimely departures. They serve as a reminder to all of us to embrace our own creative potential, to fearlessly pursue our passions, and to never shy away from expressing our authentic selves. Through their music and films, Mac and Christian continue to inspire others to explore their own depths of creativity, to confront their vulnerabilities, and to cherish the beauty of life. On this solemn anniversary, let us pay tribute to these remarkable individuals by celebrating the impact they had on the world. As we remember their artistic contributions, let us also reflect on the fragility of life and the profound effects that our own creative journeys can have on those around us. May their legacies serve as a poignant reminder of the power of artistic expression and the possibilities that lie within us all.